Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Infotainment Bangalore. Before we go on to our topic, make sure you subscribe to the page and hit the bell icon. So today's topic is Becoming a Change Maker, Introduction to Social Innovation. Guys, this course is available on Coursera and it is offered by University of Cape Town. This is a beautiful course related to business and entrepreneurship. Make sure if you are interested in this arena, you go to this course, enroll to this course and get this certification done as soon as possible. So this is a 6-week course. Let's not waste time and get started. I'll be helping you with the quiz answers to get the certificate easily. So in week 1 we have peer graded assignment. Let's click on it. So guys, you can read the instructions. Let's just quickly move to my submission, where you can give your project title and description. Project title and description are given in a file. The link to the file is in our description. Please make sure you go to the description and download the file. I have the file downloaded, so I'll show you how to use that. So guys, this is the file. Now we'll give the project title as project 1, or you can name anything you want. That's not mandatorily. You have to give project 1. You can name anything. I'm giving project 1. So describe or identify a problem in your context that is of concern to you. So all these answers are here. Just copy and paste them. So we have answered all the 3 questions they have asked, and then click on check this box on and save as draft. I think we have saved it. Yes, let's take a preview of it. This is our project, and wait for your peers to grade your assignment. It may take some time, so have patience. So our week 1's peer graded assignment is done. Let's check it. Go back to the main topic. You will get a green tick mark once your assignment is graded. Wait for your peers to grade your assignment. Meanwhile, you can watch all the videos, read all the materials that is left. Also, one more thing, week 1 has this particular quiz which is named as practice quiz. This can be treated as an optional quiz and can be neglected. This is no mandatory for the certificate. You can just neglect this quiz. So we are done with week 1's peer graded assignment. We'll move on to week 2. We have a quiz here which is of MCQ type. So I'll be helping you with the correct answers here. So let's start the quiz. So the correct answer to the first question is third option. Do not go by option every time, because the option gets interchanged every time you open this page. So make sure you read the question properly and also read the option properly before clicking on the correct option. So having said that, let's move on to the second question. The correct answer for this is third option, and the correct option for the third question is option 3. The correct option for the fourth question is fourth option. The correct option for fifth question is all of the above. The correct option for question 6 is strength-based mindset is more likely to reveal hidden resources and creative opportunities. Sorry, it's the third option. Let's move on to the 7th question. The correct option to this question is clothes are donated. Move on to the 8th question. The correct answer to this question is the first option. When all your options are engaged, click on this checkbox and save your assignment and submit it. See, you have been graded 100%. So make sure you take the options the correct way to get 100% results. Let's go back. The course is done. Let's go back to week 3 now. So week 3 has a peer graded assignment once again. So click on the peer graded assignment, go to my submission, and you have the as usual project title and 3 answers you have to fill. But this time you have to upload a file here. You have to upload a file, yes. That has to be a screenshot or an image. So don't worry, we have this too in the link description. Make sure you go check the description. I'll be giving my project title as project 2 and go to the file. This is the assignment, peer graded assignment 2. Just copy the answer and paste it. This is the answer for the second one. Copy. Paste. I have to upload a file. It's there in the description. Just make sure to go and see the file. It's done. It's loading. Check this box and save as draft. Yes, your assignment has been saved. Let's go back to week 4 now. See, week 1 and week 3 are yet to be graded because it's a peer graded assignment. You have to wait for your peers to grade your assignment. Once they grade, you'll get a green tick mark. Then you can proceed for the certification. Let's go to week 4. What do we have in week 4? Let's see. Sorry, I'm having a bit of network error here. Week 4. Week 4 is once again a peer graded assignment. So you know the drill. You have the file. Go to my submission. Go to the file. You have all the answers here. Just copy paste them. Check 3. Box, save as draft. This our peer graded assignment for week 4 has been saved. Let's move on to week 5. What do we have in week 5? Yes, this is an MCQ based quiz. So once again, I'll be sharing the correct answers. Make sure you Note down the proper option and don't go by the option number, as it will be shuffling every time. So note down the proper options. So the correct answer to the first question is the first option, that is, this refers to a place when social innovation challenges and changes underlying system conditions that cause the social or environmental problem in the first place. And the correct answer to the second question is fourth option. Note down the answer properly. And the correct answer to the third question is the first option. And the fourth question, the answer to the fourth question is the fourth option, system that comes about due to the ongoing series of micro interactions of people performing their specific roles. And the correct option to the fifth question is fourth option. The correct answer to the sixth question is first option. Sorry. The correct answer to the sixth question is the second option, that is, asking why questions put a boundary and inform what will be possible in any innovation. We have two last questions here. The correct answer to the seventh question is third option, and the answer to the last question is the last option. Check this box and save your assignment and submit. We have been graded 100% once again, so look at the answers carefully. Almost through the certification course. We have left out a few more things. Let's go and check them quickly. So week 6 is again an MCQ based quiz. So let's get started. The correct answer to the first question is second option. And the answer for the second question is first option. The answer to the third question is the second option. The answer to the fourth question is the third option. The answer to the fifth question is all of the above. The answer to the sixth question is the third option. The answer to the seventh question is hybrid and non-profit businesses. The answer to the eighth question is all of the above. The answer to the ninth question is first option. The answer to the last question, that is the 10th question, is the last option. So note down the answers properly. Check this box, save your assignment, click on submit. Oops, I think we missed an answer here. It doesn't matter because the minimum amount of percentage you need is 75. We are more than 75. So let's go back. Yes, so we have completed the course. We just have to wait for our peers to grade our assignment. Once they grade our assignment, certificate, we will obtain the certificate. So let's just wait for them to do their job. Our job is completed here. So guys, thank you so much